This HISAFE-keyed entry commercial door lock feels genuinely heavy-duty, with a solid metal build and a smooth lever action that inspires confidence on busy office or facility doors. The lock offers two interior locking methods, including a push-and-turn option and a simple push-button mode, so you can tailor how it behaves to the way the door is used day to day. It is rated to a robust commercial security standard and carries a multi-hour fire rating while still meeting accessibility guidelines, which makes it suitable for professional environments that have to satisfy building codes. The non-handed design means the same lock works on both left opening and right opening doors, which simplifies ordering and keeps spares interchangeable across a property. A large, clean-looking round rose helps cover oversized or worn door holes, and the satin chrome finish gives it a professional, understated appearance that blends with most modern hardware. Each lock cylinder can be rekeyed on a common keyway, so a locksmith can quickly match it to an existing key system, a big advantage when you are standardizing multiple doors.